Has your engine developed a misfire? There are plenty of culprits, but a failed ignition coil is one of the most common. Let's remove this failed ignition coil marked X and take a look at the spark plug under it. On many engines, disconnecting the wiring harness and loosening a bolt or two is usually all it takes to pull the coil. With a dedicated spark plug socket, we can now remove the spark plug. Let's take a closer look at that spark plug and compare it to a new one. This old spark plug has way over 100,000 miles. Neglecting regular replacement eventually leads to failed ignition coil, as in this case. Take a closer look at that massive gap difference between the old and new. As spark plugs age, the metal electrode erodes and the gap widens. Because of that massive gap, the ignition coil has to work double time to force a spark. That extra stress generates extreme heat, which eventually fries the coil's internal insulation. Solution? If one coil goes bad, many mechanics will try to sell you a whole new set, but you can replace just the failed unit with an OE part, put a fresh set of spark plugs in, and get many more miles out of your remaining factory coils.